Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, your host, and I'm so excited to have you here today. As we find ourselves in the midst of February, midwinter, I know many of us are wrestling with some bigger questions. We might be feeling a little weighed down, both physically and mentally, by those extra carbs, credit card bills, and the post-holiday blues. It's a time when we have a moment to reflect on where we are in our lives, and perhaps wonder, how can I get more energy and motivation? Well, my friends, I believe that the answer lies within us. It's all about tapping into our inner fire, that spark that ignites our passions and propels us forward. So, let's dive into some ways we can reignite that flame and find the energy and motivation we crave. First and foremost, it's important to take care of ourselves physically. Our bodies are our temples, and when we nourish them with healthy food, exercise, and enough rest, we create a solid foundation for energy to thrive. So, let's make a commitment to move our bodies every day, even if it's just a short walk or a dance party in our living rooms. Let's fuel ourselves with nutritious meals that give us the energy we need to conquer our goals. But it's not just about the physical aspect. Our minds and souls need nourishment too. Take time each day to engage in activities that bring you joy and fill your cup. Whether it's reading a book, practicing meditation, or pursuing a hobby, find what lights you up from the inside out. When we prioritize self-care and make time for the things that make us happy, we naturally find ourselves more motivated and energized. Another powerful way to boost our energy and motivation is by surrounding ourselves with positive influences. Seek out like-minded individuals who inspire you and lift you up. Connect with people who share your passions and goals, and together you can create a supportive community that fuels your fire. Remember, we are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with, so let's choose wisely. Lastly, my friends, let's not forget the power of gratitude. When we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, we invite abundance and motivation into our lives. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, big or small. It could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee in the morning or a smile from a stranger. Gratitude opens our hearts and minds to the possibilities that lie ahead, and it fuels us with the energy to chase our dreams. So, my friends, as we navigate through these February blahs, let's remember that we have the power to create the energy and motivation we seek. It starts with taking care of ourselves, surrounding ourselves with positivity, and cultivating gratitude. Let's embrace this moment as an opportunity for growth and transformation. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soulful Summit for more inspiring content. Together, we can conquer those February blahs and create a life filled with energy, motivation, and purpose. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep shining your light.